Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today I wanted to bring you a quick video of how I set up and how I'm running my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, I know a lot of people like to see this video. A lot of people ask me about what widget I'm using, what keyboard am I using, and all types of things like that when it comes to my Note 9 on all my videos. So I always, any device I get, whether it be iPhone, S9, OnePlus, whatever it may be, I always like to do these videos just to let you guys know how I'm running on my phone and how I run my phone on the daily basis. So to start off with right now, the case of choice that I'm rocking right now is this Spigen Liquid Air. It is a very, very nice case, man. I'm really liking it. I was kind of sleeping on it when I did the review, man, but it actually feels very, very good. Has decent grip and everything all the way around. Like I'm really liking this case now, and it's actually very grippy. So right now, my case of choice is the Spigen Liquid Air. Now flipping it over on the front, you already know I'm rocking that Whitestone dome as my tempered glass screen protector. If you didn't see that video of the installation, I will link that video right above. But it is a very, very nice screen protector. It doesn't get scratched up a lot, man. Over time, it really is a solid screen protector, man. I'm really, really liking it. Love to use it on all my devices. And I'm not just saying that because they send me out screen protectors for free. They really have a quality product, man. And if you had to spend 50 bucks on a screen protector, it will for sure be the Whitestone dome. So that's what I'm running as my screen protector. Taking a look at my layout, you guys know, if you're familiar with my channel and you're familiar with my videos, I have the same layout as always. And that's basically, I'm running the HD widgets up here with the time, with that weather, and the 5-day forecast, as you can see here. So here it is, HD widgets. People ask me all of the time what I'm running, and it is HD widgets as my weather widget, man. And you can get different, you can get some different setups here as well. So if you hit this, and I don't even know if I have space to actually set the widgets up, but you can hit widgets. Let's go over here to widgets real fast, and let's actually scroll over to HD widgets. I'm pretty sure I passed right by it. There it is. You have a lot of different widgets you can choose from. I just choose that so I don't have to really dig into the weather app and everything to see the upcoming weather. I used to use that for years, the 4x2, but I switched to this so I can get that 5-day outlook. And I just really like that so I can see what's going on in the weather. Now, my setup is always very simplistic. On the top, we have the Play Store, Facebook, YouTube Studio, and we have the gallery here. And then I have my folders, and I'm not going to go and break down what's in each folder, but I have social media, my media, shopping, finance, and travel. And down there in the bottom, you can see my apps I have down there: phone, messages, Gmail, internet, and my camera. And this is the base setup I like. I don't like to have a bunch of apps. Just let me flip up and let me get to all the rest of my apps, man. I don't use a ton of apps, but this is what I like to use. This is my main apps that I use on the regular basis. So that's why I kind of keep it simplified, in this layout. Now, the keyboard of choice that I'm using, as you know, I am using Gboard. I just really like Gboard, man. It actually feels very good. So this is my keyboard of choice that I'm using. Gboard, can't beat it. I don't really care for the Samsung keyboard because it just can't seem to get autocorrect right when I'm typing on it. So therefore, Google keyboard works just fine. I used to be a crazy fan of SwiftKey, but, I'm not sure. I really don't like the way SwiftKey, feels these days. So that's that. Now, jumping over into my settings, man, and going down here to the developer options, I have sped all my animations up to 0.5. And if you're a classic Android user, you already know, boost that Windows transition and the animator scale to 0.5. And you already know that will give you an even faster feeling device. I don't know if it actually runs faster, but it'll feel like it's running a lot faster. So boost those up to 0.5, man, and then you should be good to go. It actually feels fast, even though it's already plenty fast enough. Popping the phone off, you see I do use always on display. I love always on display. I love the fact of putting that S Pen, jotting some things down, man. I really, really like it. I mean, you really can't beat it, and do it. Pop the S Pen back in. Cool. Save the galleries, and it's cool to go, man. You really can't be always on display. I absolutely love using it. Now, I do use the Fingerprint Scanner. I don't have any facial recognition software installed at all. Not installed, but I don't have it actually active. I do everything for Fingerprint Scanner because I find the Samsung iris scanner, the face recognition, I find it a little wonky, and I'm just not a huge fan of it. So I just didn't use those at all, and I'm just rocking with the straight up fingerprint sensor, and that's how I'm using it, man. Nothing much, nothing less. that's basically it. You know, this is a real quick video because I know people want to see this. You know, you guys want to see things how I run my phone. So I said, let me go ahead and do a quick video. And this is my setup on this phone. And if you go back and look at any of the other what's on my phone or how I set up my phone, this is exactly how it is, man. And of course, you got the display setting all the way boosted up. You already know that. You know, the setting is all the way up. I don't turn any location off because I'm getting very good battery life. As you see, I have 13% here. 7:55 p.m. I took it off the charger around 6:30 in the morning. So you already see what the battery life is, man. With that 4,000 milliamp hour battery, you don't got to worry about disabling a bunch of things, man, because there's no need to. 4,000 will get you through the day just fine with my use, and I consider my use heavy use. So if you don't use your phone as heavy, you might can even get a day and a half out of this Note 9, man. But this is a quick video letting you know how I set up my Note 9 and how I'm running case, screen protector, setup, widgets, everything like that. I am running the stock launcher. I have not changed it to Google Launcher, a Nova Launcher, or anything like that. The S9 Plus kind of put a nip in the bud when it comes to those third-party launchers, man, because the Samsung Experience Launcher is absolutely smooth. I have no reason to get rid of it. I love it. You know, I don't have a reason to get it. You know, it's fluent enough for me. I don't get any lags whatsoever. If there is anything you want to know about my setup or app or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. I felt like that was a brief overview of what you may need to know or what you want to see when it comes to what I run on my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So as always, man, leave some comments down below. Hit that like button if you like this video, man. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, man. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.